that I love her so. Yeah, there's oh so many things that I could say, but the words don't come my way. She runs her fingers through my hands and she drives me out of my mind. I gotta find a way to tell her that I want her to be all mine. But I better hurry up, cause I'm running out of time. Yeah, the cute little things she does, I gotta tell her that I love her so. Yeah, there's so many things that I can say, but the words don't come my way. She runs her fingers through my hand just to drive me out of my mind. I gotta find a way to tell her that I want her to be all mine. But I better hurry up, running out of time.